What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you the 5 best things about the Moto E5 Supra from Cricket Wireless. Stay tuned. Welcome all you Cricket users out here. I know I haven't shown this phone that much love because the LG Stylo 4 did come out, so I haven't shown this phone the love that it actually deserves. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I love this phone. First and foremost, the display. One of the best displays I've honestly seen on a budget smartphone. Yes, the LG Stylo 4 has a 1080p screen, a full HD screen or whatever, but I honestly think the density on this screen is much better. The specifications may not match up, but the real world use definitely shows its stuff. We do have a 720p display on here, so it's 720 by 1440, and we do have a full vision display. The only thing I don't like about it is the huge chin that says Motorola at the bottom, but honestly just gives it character. But if you guys want a phone with an amazing screen for a really reasonable price, definitely Moto E5 Supra, one of the best screens I've ever seen. And with Motorola, you guys get really a plethora of different options for wallpapers on this phone. The other thing is there are literally no bad viewing angles on this phone whatsoever. No bad viewing angles. We also have a raised display. It looks like just a really good screen in general. Next thing I want to talk about, and it's probably obvious to everybody that's watching this video, is that it has a 5000 milliamp battery, and it definitely shows its bulk in the size of the phone. The battery in this phone is honestly amazing. I've gone off of it for probably a day and a half before using it with moderate use. Obviously, if you're using it with heavy use, if you're, say you're gaming or you're watching HD videos or whatever on full brightness, you are going to drain it faster. But with moderate use, I've gone with this phone for about a day and a half. Honestly, amazing battery. If you guys are looking for a powerhouse battery that does not break the bank, this is definitely the phone to get. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about actually surprised me the most on how good the speaker was. Now, obviously, the users of the Moto E5 Supra that actually have this device in their hand right now can say that it is one of the best speakers on honestly any budget phone across the line right now. Amazing speaker. The bass on this speaker is amazing. The sound is just clear and crisp. Let's go ahead and go on a video. Obviously, it's not going to show it justice, but one of the best speakers I have ever used on a budget phone in my entire life. So we found some non-copyright sound music right here. We're gonna go ahead and listen to a song really quick, but yeah, just the best speaker I've ever used. I think part of it has to be for the front-facing speaker. It's not on the back or the side, or that weird thing that they do on the Amp Prime where they put it on the side of the phone. It's crazy and weird. Or the bottom, which I can handle the bottom, but the front-facing speaker is just one of the best features on this device. Let's go ahead and show you. It's not going to show you justice, but it's just an amazing speaker. One of the crispiest speakers I've ever used. Honestly, the LG Stylo 4 can't even compare to how good this speaker is, and just a really good experience with this speaker so far. Next thing that I wanted to talk about actually has to do with something different, and I know a lot of people don't talk about this and they don't really care about this really, but honestly, one of my pet peeves is not having 5G on a device, and I'm glad this does have 5G on this device. The reason being is because 5G is a faster connection to the internet. Yes, it is more unreliable and kind of shaky. I'm actually in an apartment, so not a house, so I don't get that feeling of unsteadiness while using 5G because I'm so close to my router. But 5G is honestly amazing. As you guys know, you have your regular internet connection, and that is a 2.4 gigahertz internet connection. Now, as you guys see right here, you see some different Wi-Fi access. We see Spectrum Wi-Fi 2G, that is 2.4G. Now, you also see 5G right there. That is a faster, it is less secure, but it is a faster internet connection. Now, to prove to you how much faster 5G is to 2.4 gigahertz connection, with the BlackBerry Key 2 right here, this is a flagship device offered at $650 from BlackBerry. We'll be doing my full review on this later on, as well as breaking it down. I just wanted to get my full experience with this device, but we're going to go ahead and install 8-ball pool on both these devices and see how fast it is on this device, the 5G device, and see how fast it is on this device, the 2.4 gigahertz connection. So as you guys see right there, if you can't see too well, 8-ball pool has already installed on the 5G connection, and this one is still installing on the 2.4 gigahertz connection. We can actually open it up and play it now. But you guys see the difference right there. Now, last and final thing, I wanted to save it for all you Motorola people who love Motorola, who've been with Motorola forever. So I picked something that is limited only to Motorola devices, and that is Moto Actions. So my favorite feature on this device definitely has to be Moto Actions. We get so many different actions on here that make productivity and life just much more easier. Honestly, my favorite feature for Moto Actions has to be the flashlight. Definitely tell me in the comments down below what your favorite is, but mine has to be the chop for the flashlight. It works every single time like a charm. Absolutely love it. The other action we have right here is twist for camera. Opens up camera, and I cannot tell you how accurate this is. This is one of the most accurate feelings on a Motorola device. You always get that feeling that it is going to work because it does work 100% of the time. It's just super reliable. Another thing we have right here is if we want to go ahead and take a screenshot, 3 fingers on the screen, screenshot right there. Some other features we see right here is swipe to shrink the screen. We have pick up to stop ringing, flip for do not disturb. So that's pretty dope. There's some pretty dope actions on here. But yeah, tell me in the comments down below what your 5 favorite features are. Definitely number them, and I will give you a reply as well as a heart. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad, as well as being notified for every single future video that I do upload. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.